This is the original wobbler that inspired this article, Rock, Wobble, and Roll. And I made this for a friend. She wanted it for a little daughter, Chloe. And let's give it a try here. They roll quite nice. Get them going straight. And that was the original inspiration. What we have here is a wobbler. It's just two round discs made of aluminum that are out of phase by 90 degrees. And test it here on the ramp with a slight treadmill with a slight angle to it. It rolls very nice. I've made some as gifts, but this one will stay with me as a piece that I'll always use when I have visitors to show this off to. So that's it. What we have here are two pieces of aluminum. One is solid and one is hollow. They're not the exact same diameter, but the effect I'm trying to show will be obvious when I do this. I'm working off a treadmill that I've got propped up at about 7 degrees so it'll get on an inclined plane. And we'll see which one of these two rolls quicker, the solid one or the hollowed out one. And as you can see, the hollowed out one is slower and the solid one rolls quicker. And it's just and I explain in the article that I wrote why that happens. What I've got here is I've got the jig I use to make the axles for the wobblers, and it makes it very quick and easy to make it. I have a hole here that the dowels fit in, and I have lines scribed here to orient me so I can turn the dowel when I need to make various cuts. It fits in. I have a little tape I stuck on there because I wanted a certain width of space here for the piece I'll be sticking in there. It'll be this cardboard that I'll be using. So I'm going to put on my safety equipment, and first thing I do is I mark the dowel, make a line here, an index line, and I use that here. Turn the machine on, make one cut, and then I push it this way and make the other cut. That will make me a slot that fits there nicely. Now, it'll make a slot that fits nicely in the board. Then, with that same lineup that I scribed before, now I want it to be 90-degree orientation the other way. So again, I'll make one cut here, one cut there, so this slides back and forth to give me the right adjustment. So I have an axle with a 90-degree offset. It's offset by 90 degrees, the phasing of it. So that makes it very simple and quick to do. And the hole I drilled, so it's kind of a hard push fit. So it'll stay there as the cut's taking place. And I've got a handle here to keep my fingers out of the way, and that's it.